अस्सलाम अलैकुम नाज़रीन। आज हम आपको फ़लस्तीन की ताज़ा तरीन सूरत-ए-हाल और अहम खबरें पेश करेंगे जो पूरी दुनिया की तवज्जो का मरकज़ बनी हुई है।
इसराइली हिरासत से रिहाई पाने वाले तुर्क सहाफ़ी का कहना है कि ग्लोबल स्मूथ फ्लोटीला के इमदादी कारकुनों को इसराइली हिरासत में तशद्दुद का निशाना बनाकर इसराइली झंडा चूमने पर मजबूर किया गया। गैर मुल्की मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक गजा इमदाद ले जाने वाले ग्लोबल स्मूथ फ्लोटीला के इमदादी कारकुनों का एक काफ़िला गुज़िश्ता रोज़ रिहाई के बाद तुर्किया पहुंचा है। इमदादी कारकुनों में शामिल तुर्क सहाफ़ी ने रिहाई के बाद बताया कि हमें इसराइली हिरासत में तशद्दुद और बदसलूकी का निशाना बनाया गया। उन्होंने मज़ीद बताया कि स्वीडन से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली माहौलियाती कारकुन ग्रेटा थनबर्ग पर भी तशद्दुद किया गया और इसराइली झंडा चूमने पर मजबूर किया गया। वाज़ेह रहे कि 450 समाजी कारकुन अब भी इसराइली हिरासत में मौजूद हैं। 137 समाजी कारकुन रिहाई के बाद इस्तांबुल पहुंच गए हैं।
It was a disaster. I can say they treated us like animal. They didn't provide us clean food, clean water. The moment I remember, she dragged her very intensely, and they even put the Israeli flag on her face, and they even put Greta on a trolley. They treated her like animal.
Çok özür dilerim.
They throw all of our medication, the essential, and up until today, our stuff we didn't get any stuff, our baggage and so on. So I think the world needs to know the cruelty from the Israeli. They are so cruel people.
She was treated terribly. She was they draped her in an Israeli flag and they just pushed and pulled her wherever they wanted and for whatever propaganda they wanted. I was 3 people in front of her in line, and she came close to this private room and they just shoved her really aggressively and put her in the room, and then Ben Gvir arrives and goes into the room with her. And they were just it was awful, but they were trying to use her as propaganda for their optics, but she was just treated like a piece of trash, They seemed to be mean-spirited on purpose, but it was strange because of the solidarity of the people of the world, that their capacity for violence was restrained, and so then they were just disorganized. It was very strange. It's like they were very mean.
And last day in the jail, when my companions were praying the first prayer of the morning, Israelis enter with violence and try to stop this, and I can't stay more still. And so I did my opposition with them. I've never lived something similar. It's just a little part of what Palestinian people can live there, because our treatment is different. It was better, but it was really bad. Not humanity. Guys, they are I don't know, fanatic, really, as nobody else in the world I've seen before. Something really bad.
Kıymetli Gazze murabıtları, kıymetli Gazze murabıtları, büyük Very disgusting how they treated us in the prison. They were very hard. They had a very much protocol, so-called protocol, just to make us feel so disgusted with ourselves, and then we had to change our clothes, and then they will put us into a cage under a very sunny bright, and then they didn't treat us as a hijabi. Some of our Muslim women, they denied their hijab, and then when we were in cell, they didn't even give us clean water and also medicine, even when we asked. And one woman was in a serious dire need of a medicine. They denied it. They say if she didn't die yet, then it's okay. And then we had to drink from the tap water in the toilet.
ये थी फ़लस्तीन से मुताल्लिक़ आज की अहम खबरें। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि सच अब तक पहुंचता रहे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें ताकि मज़ीद लोग भी हक़ाइक़ जान सकें। अल्लाह ताला फ़लस्तीन के मासूम बच्चों, मज़लूम औरतों और बहादुर जवानों की हिफाजत फरमाए और उन्हें जल्द आज़ादी अता फरमाए। आमीन।
Came to protest against the genocide in Gaza and to support the global Sumud flotilla that came and was arrested yesterday. I also came to support all the movement to impact sanctions on Israel to stop what's happening in Gaza right now, but also to stop what's happening in the West Bank and to support the Palestinians and to help free Palestinians from ongoing ethnic cleansing.
Activists unaffiliated with any organization. We are here first and foremost in solidarity with the people of Gaza to break the siege, whether it's from land right here or from the sea. The flotilla, we saw how they were arrested, and we want to say we are in solidarity with all the people in the world that are doing anything they can to break this siege on Gaza, to end this genocide. We think that ethnic cleansing is wrong, and that's why we are here. We think that genocide is the #1 crime, and it needs to stop. It needed to stop a while ago. It needs to stop as quickly as possible, and we demand to let aid into Gaza. The blockade on Gaza is inhumane, and it's illegal, and it's wrong.
להירגע עם האלימות! לא אחורה! פעם שעברה עצרתי אותו, עוד פעם? אתה רוצה אותם שאני אעצור אותך לא!